The next station is Tokyo.
I am heading to Odaiba right now, which I've never been, and I'm excited to explore. I'm actually meeting a friend there. I'm definitely putting on more effort, at least, to make more connection, meet new people, and I actually realized that there's a lot of expats that's living in Tokyo, and I feel so lucky that we got connected. So yeah, I'm excited to meet some new friends. So I'm at this retro museum in Odaiba, and oh my god, this place is so cute. It has all of the old school settings. So from the changing room, and then they have the record playing, and also like an old ramen stand. But honestly, like this museum is also like so fun to explore. You like this, Dian? Oh, we have a pachinko room that you can play for free. I get that same. I even put my finger in one. Oh my god, I did. I don't know what. Okay, so this is actually how my day today look like realistically. I like to work from home because I found that most of the cafes here in Tokyo are not very workable. It's always packed because there's tons of people. And I got a lot of questions about how do I get to travel full time. And that's basically because I have a remote job. So if you guys are new here, I just started working remotely around 2.5 years ago. So my background before was in medicine. I used to work at the hospital, and during the pandemic, I decided to pivot. So I took my time off and learned about digital marketing. I took an online digital marketing course that led me to where I am today. And if you guys want to learn about digital marketing, I will leave the link down below so you guys can check out that course. But yeah, beside of landing a remote job, which can be tricky if you travel somewhere that has a different time zone from the company. Another thing that I think helped tremendously is having an online side hustle, which is why I want to thank Hosting a Horizon for sponsoring this part of the video. So there is a tons of different way to have an online side hustle, but the one that I've been doing consistently is selling a digital product. So this can be a guidebook, a website, or like a blog post. And I know it's hard to start, especially if you don't know how to build your own website and stuff, which is why I think Hosting our Horizon is a totally game changer because you can build your own website even if you don't know how to code. It actually blown my mind that you can build your own website just by chatting with an AI. So you just have to answer a few questions and their AI builder creates a fully designed site tailored for you. You can customize everything from layout to colors to what pages you needed, like a blog, portfolio, or digital shop. Once you're done, just hit publish to go live. Hosting Horizon takes care of everything from building the app to hosting, email, and even the domain, so no extra tools needed. So if you want to start generating your own side hustle, I have a discount code that you can use to get 10% off with Hosting Horizons. All right, so we are gonna go to the grocery store now. I tend to go later during the evening because most of the grocery store here in Japan, they usually have discount after a certain hour, usually after 5 or 6. Even the yogurt has 3% off. So the convenience store here is exactly like 7-Eleven with more selection, better selection, and also better price. Oh, and you're coming here, make sure to get this, which is a furikake, which is like a thing you can put on top of the rice, and it tastes super good. So most of the packaged food will be on discount. I can see it's like 30% off, like 5% off. Usually, like the later it is, the more discount they're gonna have. We are at the mid section here. Oh my god, look at all this package meat. Looks so good. And yeah, food in Japan can be expensive, but if you come grocery shopping, especially to this store, can be like really affordable. So once you're done paying, you just go to like a certain counter and yeah, you just put on all the things that you got. Honestly, it is part of like day to day or like routine, like grocery shopping really adds up to the experience of living here in Japan because when you come here or when I used to come here as a tourist only for vacation, I only stopped by the convenience store or like 7-Eleven. But now that I lived here, I explore some of the grocery store, which is like a hidden gem. So if you're coming to Japan, make sure that you check it out. I was initially gonna go to the Imperial Palace, but it's closed. Um, but yeah, this area is very nice to walk around. I just really love that about Tokyo. Like, it's a very walkable city and there's so much to explore around. I also stopped by the Tokyo station and I love it. It was like really nice, well preserved. They have a hotel now inside, but if you're looking for like a nice park to like chill, read books, or just like walk around, I think this area would be perfect. Found this really cute pocket called Ichigokan Square. It is literally in the middle of the malls here, and it is so nice. Like it is so peaceful here. Some people are taking their wedding photos, people are just reading or chilling near the cafe. I kind of wish I bring my book here so I can just like read.
Yeah, certainly.
Ah, arigato.